Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we are going to do another cardio hit training workout video that you can do anywhere, anytime. So you don't have to have any kind of equipment available, just your own body weight. Now with that being said, each exercise, 8 of them, are going to last about 45 seconds. You're going to have 15 seconds to rest in between those different exercises. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and hit that like button, and let's get started. So diamond push-ups are no joke, chest is on fire. We're gonna take it down to a squat post next, so we're gonna hit the lower body a little bit. Let's get started. That hurt. All right, so your quads, they're on fire right now. Let's get ready to work the back of the legs now with some butt kicks.
3, 2, 1, butt kicks.
So quads will work, chest will work, back of the legs will work. Now let's put it all together, get a little bit of jumping action going on. Keep the heart rate up.
3, 2, 1, jab tabs.
I know you're feeling that burn. It's okay though. We're halfway through the point, okay? So get right into action, catch your breath, drink water if you need to. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, lunge and twist.
Seems like I'm attacking your legs lately. Quads, they're on fire. Core is constantly engaged. Let's get ready for the next one.
3,
Back there, deadlift. Alright, so that was good for your hamstrings, also good for your thoracic lumbar, so that lower back, okay? So let's keep the party going. We're almost done.
3,
What's next? Ouch. That's good for the glutes, good for your quads, good for the IT band, good for your cardio. So stay with it. We're almost done.
3, 2,
We got the
side kicks.
what's my I had to wait for that plane to fly by. Anyway, that's good for your glutes. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. It's gonna be very leg intense, so make sure you know that you may be a little bit sore. You may have problems walking up the stairs later, but that's okay. We're all about progress, right? If you like videos like this, comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications. That way you don't miss these workout Wednesdays, all right? Or Tuesdays, however I put them by. Anyway, well, slobbering. Catch you in the next one. Peace.